Hi, myself B. Naveen Achari. I am standing for Film and Music Society, third year constituency.
Why are you standing for the post you have filed your nomination for?
First of all, I would like to say that there is no such reason, but I don't know why I have waited for this post since the day I came to NIT Rourkela. FMS, I like this post just. I have also work experience since I have volunteered many events in my very first year, and now coordinated many events in this year too. And also I have been a core team member in Innovision 13 and ISM 14 as well as and in Celebrity Night 14. So I think I can manage well for this post.
How would you judge that the secretary is successful or not at the end of his tenure?
Actually, a secretary a secretary is only successful. A secretary is only successful if he is able to if he is capable to do all the work, all the stuff for which his his post is for. And also there should be feedback among the students after his tenure, how the about what the how the secretary has worked in his year, etc.
What changes would you like to bring in the FMS society if you are elected?
Actually, as I also previously mentioned, that I will I will prefer the views and point of view of every student of NIT Janta. Then every view will be appreciated here, and also I will try to improve the quality of fest, as we know that the quality of fest in NIT Rourkela is not quite good if it is compared to the neighbor colleges like IIT KGP. Then in my point of view I would like to improve that situation. And also these 2 years I have experienced a lot that the secretaries were not able to accommodate the visitors, providing appropriate hospitality to them. So I think I can make a change in this, and so I'm standing in this post, and everything lies in the hands of my sanitary students. So myself Naveen, standing for FMS Society. Do vote for me. Thanks.